Buddies, welcome to Guardian Gears. Today we're going to show you how to install our Shark Mini Universal Tank Bag. This bag has 4 buckles and these are quick release buckles. This bag, you can also put it onto your shoulder once you take it off the tank. Now, let me show you how to install this tank bag onto your motorcycle. The strap that has 2 buckles on either side, this is the one which goes onto the front. You get 2 more straps which come onto the side of the motorcycle to tighten the tank bag. Now, this one has a loop on one end and on the other end you have a buckle. Now, the first step is to work this strap around the front end of the handlebar of the motorcycle. This elastic loop comes along with these straps. You have to engage it like this, so that when you take off the tank bag, the straps don't fall apart. Now, as you see, we have put this strap underneath the handlebar and make sure that the movement of the handlebar is not restricted. This strap, you would have to anchor it either to the foot peg or the frame, depending on your motorcycle and your comfort. You have to do it like this. Loop it. Make sure the loop is tight enough. You can also put it onto your frame, as I said, like this. Make sure that the strap is not touching the exhaust or any wiring. On the other side of the motorcycle, you have to do the same thing with the other strap. And you can also put these straps under the seat of your motorcycle in case your motorcycle permits that. Even these straps, you would have to put them into the elastic loop which comes along with the tank bag, like this. So that these straps don't fall off when you take off the tank bag. Now it is time to put the tank bag onto the tank and strap it with these buckles. Now do the same thing to the front end of the tank bag. Now it is time to fasten, that is tighten these straps like this. Pull the buckle up and fasten. Pull the buckle up and fasten. Now you see how sturdy the tank bag is on the motorcycle. The rain cover is inside this zip. Now put the rain cover onto the tank bag. Now you see the rain cover is covering the full tank bag and there is no chance that water droplets would go inside the tank bag. You also get these Velcro straps to the rain cover so that you can put them underneath the tank bag and tighten it. Now buddies, this is how the tank bag looks after the installation. You can also adjust it front or back depending on your comfort. Now you see this? The tank bag is very comfortable even in the sports position, the crouch down position like this. So buddies, we have a similar tank bag in magnetic version also for motorcycles with a metal tank. This is known as Jaws Mini Magnetic Tank Bag. Now this tank bag on the RC390 is not expanded vertically, but you can do that by taking off the zipper on this tank bag and you get more space by expanding it vertically. So buddies, you've seen the installation is very simple and easy. However, if you have any questions, you can contact us. You can buy this tank bag on our website guardiangears.in or Amazon or any of the dealers near you. Thank you. Bye-bye.